Hello LKG students, welcome to the motherhood. Today I will teach you world of letters. We will learn page number 23 and 24. It's the letter B and R. Letter B is the combination of one standing and two backward curve. Here I will show you some pictures which starting with the letter B. B for ball, B for bat, B for boy, B for butterfly. Today I will tell you the story of B for Bantu and B for Bablu. इसके साथ आपको एक टास्क दिया जा रहा है. मैं कितनी बार लेटर बी का यूज़ करती हूँ वो आप लोगों को काउंट कर कर व्हाट्सएप करना है. स्टोरी में कितनी बार लेटर बी आएगा. बी फॉर ब जहाँ पर प्रोनाउंसिएशन होगा वो बी होगा. ठीक है. बी फॉर बंटू एंड बबलू आर ब्रदर्स. दे गो टू द पार्क इन अ बस. They carry a bottle of water in a blue bag. It has a big button. Sometimes they take biscuits and buns with butter on them. They sit on the bench in the park and share the biscuits and buns with their friends. They always throw the wrapper in the bin. They like to play with a bat and a ball. Bantu loves to bounce the ball. One day, they see many bubbles in the park. They run after the bubbles, trying to catch them. The bubbles burst in their hands. They sing, bubbles bouncing up and down, bubbles bouncing up and down. Bubbles flying all around, bubbles flying all around. The bubble man gives the children a bottle and a loop to blow bubbles. Many butterflies, bees and birds come flying to see the bubbles. Now count letter B. It's a combination of one standing line, one backward curve and one slant line. Here I show you some pictures which starting with the letter R. R for rat, R for rabbit, R for rose, R for rain. Open the page number 23, B and R. Color the circles with the letter B. जहाँ पर B लेटर होगा उसे हम सर्कल करेंगे. Starting with the first, this is a letter B. So हम इसे सर्कल करेंगे, इसे कलरिंग करेंगे. फिर ये B लेटर है. और लेटर बी कहाँ पर है? ये रहा. Color the pictures that begin with the letter R. This is a picture of C for cow. This is B for boy. R for rabbit. R for red. R for rose and N for nest. So here we can see that rabbit, red and rose are starting with the letter R. So color this picture. Now अब हम रेड में कलरिंग करेंगे. We will color the rose. Rose are found in red color. Mostly red color, pink color. Move to the next. Practice writing the letters B and R. Letter B is a combination of one standing, two backward curve. Page number 24. Write the letters with which the pictures begin. This is a picture of doll. Doll. D किसका phonic sound है? D का. So here I write the letter D. This is an umbrella. ये umbrella का picture है. U for umbrella. This is an orange. O for orange. This is a picture of girl. G for girl. कैपिटल लेटर्स हम 3 लाइन में ही लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट 3 रो. Q for quill. ये कलम है. P for pencil. P for pencil. This is a picture of snake. S for snake. This is a rat. Picture of rat. J for jelly. This is a B for ball. Picture of ball. And C for cake. Open the page number 18 of the story section. Today I will tell you the story of Rinny and her red ribbon. This is a Rinny the rabbit. Oh, I like my pretty red ribbon, said Rinny the rabbit. What is this? Wondered little Mr. Rat. I like it. Who took my pretty red ribbon away? Look, the rat is running away with my red ribbon. Where did you get this ribbon, little Mr. Rat? Don't you know? You should not take things away like that. I am sorry, Rennie. I have come to return your ribbon to you, said little Mr. Rat.